Hi coders, it's Miss Emily here, and the purpose of this video tutorial is to share with you how to pair your physical blocks to our SAM space inside SAM Studio. So those of you who happen to have your physical blocks, you may have it in a tray that looks like this. And I know this is really hard to see because I'm at the bottom of the screen, but this is an alpha kit for the STEAM course. Or it's also a tray that your teacher may have pulled from our classroom STEAM course or hybrid kit. Now, inside this tray, you'll find lots of accessories, as you can see from the top and on the sides, but there's also 4 different blocks. So we've got 2 DC motors, we've got a light sensor, and we have an RGB LED. So these are the 4 physical blocks that you may have that pair both here in SAM Space, but also in SAM Blockly. If you happen to have other blocks from other kits, those blocks will also pair here in SAM Space. Now, I'm going to share with you how to take our block and connect it to this project. In this case, I'm going to pull out an RGB LED. Now, before I show you how to pair it, I want you to make sure that you've charged your blocks. It takes about 45 minutes. If they're brand new, they'll take maybe an hour, hour and a half the very first time. And when you plug them into your device using the USB cord, you'll notice that the block is going to glow a red color. And that means that it's not yet finished charging. But once it's completely charged, you'll know because it will turn green. So once you have all of your blocks that you have available, charged and ready to go, you'll see that they're green, and then you can get started with your project. Now, in order to pair them, you first have to power the blocks on. If you are one of our younger students, you may want to go get the help of an adult helper, like a teacher or a parent, or even an older brother or an older sister to help you power these on. Our older students and coders, what you're going to do is look for the little tiny power symbol, and it's very hard to see up here on the camera, but it's at the top of the block. And what you're going to do is you're going to press on it or squeeze for about 2 to 3 seconds, and you'll notice it turns red. Now, that's to indicate that the block is now powered on, but it is not yet connected to our device. So to connect it to our device, we're going to come down here to the left connect button on the screen, and I want you to click connect. Now, this pairing panel looks slightly different from the pairing panel you see in the app. On SAM Studio, what we're going to do is click on connect device, and you'll see a menu pops up. Now the menu here says SAM RGB LED, which is the block I have in my hand. I'm going to go ahead and click on it and then click the blue pair button. And as I do that, I'm going to tilt this toward the camera so that you can see it's going to change from red to white once it's connected. And when it did that in real life, you can see also on the screen, the RGB LED has now popped up in our pairing panel. If you want to unpair a device from your project because you no longer need it, you could click here, but I'm not going to do that today. Now I'm going to get out of the pairing panel, and since my RGB LED is an output, I'm going to click on outputs down below, and you can see there's my physical block. Now you can tell the difference between a physical block that you can hold in your hand versus a virtual block by the way that they're colored in. If you can see, this physical one is completely shaded in, whereas this over here, this virtual one is just an outline. And I'm going to click and drag both up so that you can see the difference when we go to use it. So I'm going to hold this one up to the screen still, and I'm going to activate with 2 different buttons. So this bottom system here that I'm about to connect is the RGB LED that is in my hand. So I want you to watch as I push on the button. You can see not only on the screen is it lighting up, but in my hand as well. So I'll do it a couple times. Fantastic. So you can see this one that's colored in is the one in my hand. Now the one that is virtual is going to be this pink system up above, or this magenta. You'll see it on the screen, but you can see the one in my hand is not lighting up. So you can tell the difference between the virtual and the physical by if it's just the outline or if it's colored in. All right, now the last thing I wanted to share with you students is if you don't happen to have the physical blocks, you can still build the systems. You can add different inputs, different outputs using the virtual blocks to things and still practice your coding. So the slider will have a little slider up above for you to manipulate. The light sensor, if you don't happen to have a physical one like this, you can manipulate by using the slider that's up above to choose the value that you would like. So go ahead and take some time to practice pairing your different devices and your different blocks to your device, and then also practice the difference between the physical block to the virtual block. One last thing I wanted to share with you is that as these blocks connect, you can see that there are different colors to different systems if you're building different systems. And I'm going to tilt my RGB LED. You can see there's a little orange light, and that's indicating that this block is connected to the orange system. If I was to change this block and connect it to the blue system, all of a sudden you see the light has now shifted to a blue color. So that'll help you when you're in the classroom or at home, making sure that you know which block is part of which system, whether it's in your project or making sure you're not accidentally connecting it to another group's project. Okay, take some time to explore and get comfortable with the blocks. If you have any questions, ask your teachers. And teachers, please feel free to reach out to us at support.samlabs.com with any questions you have, or professional.development@samlabs.com. All right, happy exploring.